prophet Ezekiel talks about water flowing from the temple. Wherever it reaches, life is flourishing, new life is flourishing. Even when the place was dead, it becomes fruitful. Jesus meets a man who's paralyzed for decades. Now, healing comes with, in this case, a command here. Christ tells him, rise, take up your mat, and walk. Why? Because when Christ restores us, whether we like it or not, it requires and necessitates an interior response from us. The man who is forgiven needs to go forth and proclaim that forgiveness and forgive others. The man who is healed needs to go forth and proclaim the source of that healing. You think about someone like St. Patrick, for example. He trusted the waters of grace. Once he was enslaved, and after receiving healing and formation and an ordination into the priesthood and bishopric, he then returns as a missionary to the place that enslaved him to bring them freedom in their real slavery, their bondage to sin, to death, and to pagan idolatry. God transformed Patrick's suffering into life-giving witness for an entire nation. The season of Lent is an invitation for you and I to enter into the waters of that healing and renewal and freedom. Because the healing of God is going to flow where we open our hearts and choose to obey Him and let His grace set us free. So today I encourage you, step toward your interior healing. Obey a command of Christ that you have delayed for a long time. And you know what it is. Choose to do it from today onwards, difficult as it might be.